We are going to see in exercise 4.1 question number 10. The ratio of boys and girls is 5:3 in a class. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls fail, what is the pass percentage? So in this problem, they are asking what is the pass percentage of the whole class. Here they have not given us the total class strength, and the number of boys and girls are just expressed as a ratio, and they've also given us additional information. What is the percentage of failure of the boys and girls individually? So it's a very interesting problem. So let's go on to it. Whenever a ratio is given, what is given for you? Ratio of boys is to girls. So that is given as 5:3. They are in a ratio. That means if boys are let's say 50, then the girls are 30, something like that. But we don't know the exact number, so we cannot take the risk of assumption. So therefore, in general, we take let the number of boys be equal to 5x and let the number of girls be equal to 3x. Therefore, what is the total strength of the class? Yes, you're right. It's 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. Very good. Next, also given percentage of failure of boys is 16%. When 16% have failed, the rest of the percentage, 100 minus 16, 84% have passed. So therefore, the number of boys passed. So this is 84% of boys, 84% of 5x. So the number of boys passed is what? 84% of, what is the total number of boys? We have assumed it to be 5x. So that is equal to 84 by 100 into 5x. So when you multiply, what do you get? You get 420 by 100x. Don't do any cancellation because we'll be using this. The failure of girls is given as 8%, and therefore what will be the pass percentage? It will be 92%. Now, therefore, the number of girls passed will be what? 92% of the total number of girls. Total number of girls, we have assumed it as 3x. So, 92 by 100 into 3x. So, that will give you, I am not going to do anything with that 100. Keep it as it is. So, 92 into 3 gives you 276x by 100. So, now we have got the number of the boys passed and the number of the girls passed. So, therefore, total pass. So, how many have passed? The number of boys. The boys passed is 420 divided by 100x plus 276 by 100x. So, now both the denominators are same. They are like terms. So, we are getting 420x plus 276x, the whole divided by 100. These two are like terms, so therefore we can add them. So you get 696 by 100x. So this is the total pass. So now we have to find what? To find the pass percentage. So it's very easy, but we know the number of students who have passed. So this is the number of students, the total number of students, irrespective of boy and girls, because both we have added. So number of students passed is 696 divided by 100 into x. So now before finding the percentage, we'll just make it a little more easier. We'll write the fraction of students students passed. So we just take it as a fraction. So it will make the work much easy for us. So it is number of students passed divided by total number of students. So what is the number of students passed? 696 divided by 100 into x. Now total means it will go below, so we might have confusion. So I am just putting the division sign. The total number of students are how many? 8x. So I write here 8x. So in the next step I am writing 696 divided by 100x. Division becomes multiplication. It becomes, the second number becomes a reciprocal. So x and x I can cancel. Here again I am not going to do any cancellation. Okay, shall we do? Okay, 8 and 696 can I cancel? So 8 goes once. Here 69, it goes 8 times. 64, remainder 56, 7. So I am getting here 87 by 100. So this is what? This is the fraction of students who have passed. So therefore, percentage of pass. So percentage of pass is nothing but this fraction 87 by 100 into 100%. So 100 and 100 gets cancelled. I get the total percentage of pass as 87%. So I'll just repeat this problem once. Just go through. So they have given us the ratio is 5:3. So we have assumed it as number of boys is 5x, number of girls as 3x, and therefore the total strength of the class is 8x. Now they've given us 16% boys have passed. So therefore 80% of boys have, 16% of boys have failed, and therefore 80% have passed. Similarly for girls, 8% have 8% have failed, therefore 92% have passed. So with this 84% of 5x, that is the total number of boys, we have found out the number of boys who have passed is 420 divided by 100x. Similarly, the number of girls who have passed we have got as 276 divided by 100 into x. Now by adding these two numbers, we are getting the total number of students who have passed in the class is 696 divided by 100 into x. Now, in order to find the percentage of pass, this will be much easy for us. So what we are doing, first we are finding the fraction of students who have passed. That is the number of students passed divided by the total. So a part of something over the total number of items, the complete one. So out of 600, out of this out of 8x number of students, only 696 divided by 100 into x students have passed. So we are taking it as a fraction. So what I have done, I have written it in this format so that we can understand better. So division becomes multiplication. This comes to the denominator. X and x gets cancelled. 8 and 96 also we cancel. We got 87. So that is equal to 87 by 100. Now we find the percentage of pass. So that is 87 by 100 into 100%. We get 87%. Hope you understood. Thank you.